Hey guys! Now the reason you're watching this video is because just like me, your ignition is off. Okay, there's nobody in the car. In fact, you have the keys in your hand and your brake lights are on. Okay? See? I'm going to show you in this video how to fix that problem. I thought it's an electrical issue, but good thing I was wrong, because it's a $13 part, okay, which I'm going to show you right now. Another thing that this fix will do for you is, if in case your cruise control is not working, mine was blinking when I tried to turn it on. This will also rectify that problem if you have an issue with your cruise control. This is a culprit. It's a little rubber stopper, and it's about a $13 part at your Ford Nissan dealer. Now this is a 350Z, but a lot of other makes and models, Ford, Chevy, GM, you know, a lot of other makes and models incorporate these little rubber grommets or stoppers for your brakes. In fact, if you can see, I found this off the floor mat. That's the old one that deteriorated and broke after a while. This is what we're going to replace right now. Okay. On your brake pedal, there's two of these. Okay, facing you. Okay, there's one up top and one on the bottom. I believe my top one is broken. So what you're going to do is just put this through that hole where it's broken now, and the sensor, the switch, is going to tell the brake light to turn off now. Okay? Alright, so see this one? That one is intact. I pushed that one in right there. Alright, it really helps if you have somebody sit down in the seat and push the brake pedal in for you, so you can use both hands and push it into that little hole right there. Now, as you can see, the car is on and my brake light is off. That's it. I'll have an affiliate link below in the description on where you can get this genuine OEM part for your Nissan 350Z. Now, keep in mind, this will work for other makes and models such as Ford, Chevy, Dodge. You know, a lot of these manufacturers use the same little rubber piece for the brake pedal. Alright, so I want to thank you all for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe if I've helped you out in this video. Peace out.